with me Vatsala ma'am. She is a teacher coordinating the school cinema program in Dikshant International School, Haldwani, Uttarakhand. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जैसे एक मूवी एक बारी देखा और थोड़ा उस तरह से समझ में नहीं आया या उसको हम दोबारा देखते हैं तो उसके कुछ और एंगल से हम उसको देखना शुरू
बिल्कुल
करते
आता है
हैं, ऐसा होता है।
एनी मूवी इफ यू वॉच इट अ डिफरेंट टाइम ट्वाइस थ्राइस तो होता है लाइक आई ऑलवेज सेड दैट एग्जांपल ऑफ डेढ़ फुटिया for the children because that is a very different genre of a movie for grade 4 children.
I'm short, and that's my crime. Being short is not easy. I normally talk to dummies.
So do you notice any growth in their critical thinking or creativity because of these exercises, workbook exercises?
Yes, they are, because one thing is that their vocabulary is also enhancing. They are looking for words which can truly depict or they can talk about their emotion. That they say, क्योंकि वो छोटे बच्चे हैं कि मैम मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है तो मैं क्या लिखूं, या मुझे ये फीलिंग आ रही है तो मैं इस फीलिंग को मैं कैसे लिखूं. किसी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करे तो द चाइल्ड शुड एटलीस्ट गेट अ फर्स्ट पोजीशन और सेकंड पोजीशन और अ थर्ड पोजीशन. So then that movie also came in that when we were talking with the children that they want to go for an activity but they are not going because they are not good at that activity. They feel that they are not good at that activity. So the first time when we watched this movie and we were having this discussion, I saw that child crying in the class. So he had tears in his eyes and he was crying. So I asked him like, what happened. He said, I never spoke about it, but everybody also teases me because of my weight. And nobody listens that when they tease me, nobody listens and everybody says, अरे अभी छोड़ दो, जो कुछ तुमसे कोई कह रहा है उसको छोड़ दो. He said, but मैम मुझे बहुत hurt करती है वो बात कि सब मुझे मेरे body weight के लिए बोलते हैं. So then we had that kind of a discussion कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसके लिए, what else can be done. So we had a direction talk towards healthy food, a healthy lifestyle, इन सब के लिए हम बात करते हैं. And then I also told them that you are too small, अभी बहुत छोटे हो. Hello and welcome to today's episode. I am Tribhuvan. With me Vatsala ma'am. She is a teacher coordinating the school cinema program in Dikshant International School, Haldwani, Uttarakhand. She has been in the academics since 2000 and across India she has been teaching. So today we will be mainly discussing about school cinema, how this program is impacting the students and when they see the films, how they are responding. So we will discuss it heart to heart कि बच्चे क्या समझते हैं और किस तरह से उनके जीवन में एक परिवर्तन आ रहा है फिल्म्स को देख करके. So let us start, ma'am. So my first question is to you. Could you tell us how the school cinema program is actually being run in the school? Okay, so we have just started the school cinema this year. It will be introduced this year, and we have broken it into various levels: pre-primary, and then grade 1 and 2. 3 to 5 is being handled by me and another teacher. Then 6 to 8, we have one common teacher who teaches from classes 3 to class 10. And then along with her, I independently take class 4, and 3 to 5 I am with her as a supporting teacher. And then we have the middle school coordinator who's assisting the teacher for grade 6 to 8, and 9 and 10 is being handled by the senior academic coordinator along with the teacher. So that is how we go there till grade 4. We have 2 periods in a week. So 2 consecutive periods in a week, and we watch the movies, we have our discussions, and so in that way all the coordinators are very closely attached to the program. उनको पता है कि क्या चल रहा है, कैसे बच्चों का क्या रिएक्शन आ रहा है, क्या चीज़ें पसंद आ रही हैं. तो इस तरीके से हर लेवल के जो कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हैं वो इन्वॉल्व हैं. और फिर जूनियर स्कूल में हमारा प्री प्राइमरी जो किंडरगार्टन सेक्शन है वो वहाँ चल रहा है. ओके, तो अगर हम इस तरह से देखें तो हाउ मेनी टीचर्स आर इन्वॉल्वड इन दिस स्कूल सिनेमा प्रोग्राम? हियर इन द सीनियर स्कूल इफ यू लुक एट दैट देन इट इज द 3 coordinators and 1 teacher and one teacher for classes 1 and 2.
So three of us, five teachers are there.
ओके ओके ओके। कभी उनको ऐसा लगता है कि ये तो एक कोई नई सी चीज़ आ गई है और उसमें एक बर्डन जैसा फील करते हैं टीचर्स, या दे फील मोटिवेटेड कि एक ऐसी चीज़ आई है जिससे हमारा काम भी थोड़ा हल्का हुआ है कि जो हम बच्चों को समझाना चाहते हैं वो ये एक ऐसा मीडियम है जिससे हम और अच्छे से उनको समझा सकते हैं?
नहीं, see like if you talk about Dikshant, यहाँ पे life skill has always been a very major part. So we have been taking life skill classes, they have been going on, but this year it became much more easier with the school cinema coming in, and the teachers who are taking it, it is not a kind of a burden for them, because watching movies with children, having discussion, it is a kind, it's one thing which is relaxing for them. सो इट्स नॉट कोई बर्डन की तरह लेके नहीं चल रहा है कि ये बर्डन है या मुझे एक एक्स्ट्रा पीरियड मिल गया मेरे टाइम टेबल में, उस तरह से नहीं लग रहा है. इट इज बिकॉज एवरी वीक वी आल्सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड, ओके नाउ which movie are we going to discuss, what more are we going to do in this movie in this week. So because one movie at least takes 4 weeks, if we are doing it in a proper manner, it takes around 4 weeks to work on that movie, watching the movie, having discussions, doing the various activities, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटीज दी हुई हैं. जो हैंडबुक, जो टीचर्स की हैंडबुक है, उसमें बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटीज दी हैं. Even the workbook itself is very elaborate. So discussing those questions, taking up children's, so it's kind of a thing. We also unwind when we are going there in those classes.
Right. So teachers, they are also getting interest in this project.
Absolutely, yes.
Okay. Right. So from your point of view, in what ways is this program shaping or influencing students' lives?
See, this program, like watching the movies, there are many movies which children closely connect with. So, and most of the movies, they go with one concept of empathy. And this is one thing that we've been always trying. We've been talking to children to build up empathy. But this has been one way where children are learning empathy, they are empathizing with each other, and because they are relating to all those scenarios, so empathy is one thing which is the children are really building up on.
जो आपको लगता है कि आज के समय में बहुत ज़रूरत है,
बहुत ज़रूरत है और मिसिंग भी है लोगों में. सो दिस इज वन थिंग व्हिच आवर चिल्ड्रन आर कमिंग अप.
राइट. तो एकेडमिक्स के अलावा अगर इस तरह से बच्चे सीखते हैं और उसको अपनी डेली रूटीन में या डेली लाइफ में उसको अगर अडॉप्ट कर पाते हैं,
बिल्कुल, वो उनके लिए बहुत, वो जो कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एम्पैथेटिक होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो ये कहीं ना कहीं बहुत हेल्पफुल है बच्चे के लिए, वो समझना कि मतलब बिना उसको समझाया जाए कि एम्पैथी क्या है, क्या है, बच्चा उससे सीख रहा है.
राइट. एक तरीका तो ये होगा कि हमने एक चैप्टर लेट से बनाया एम्पैथी पे और हम उसको बोल रहे हैं, समझा रहे हैं, रादर देन वी आर शोइंग इट और वी आर गिविंग द मैसेज थ्रू द फिल्म्स. सो दैट इज मोर इम्पैक्टफुल, यू वांट टू से.
एब्सोल्युटली सर. एंड डिफरेंट मूवीज आर ब्रिंगिंग इन एम्पैथी इन अ डिफरेंट मैनर. सो बच्चे को समझ में आ रहा है कि हाँ, अगर मैं ये भी कर रहा हूँ या ऐसे भी हो रहा है, देन ऑल्सो आई एम दिस क्वालिटी इज कमिंग इन मी. और वो अनजाने में आ रही है, मतलब हमको ड्रिल नहीं करनी पड़ी है, वो अनजाने में बच्चे में आ रही है वो चीज़ें.
राइट.
तो सेंसिटिविटी बढ़ रही है बच्चों में.
और कभी शायद ऐसा भी होता है मैम कि जैसे बच्चे अभी एक तो बैक ऑफ द माइंड उनके ये चीज़ें किसी तरह से जा रही हैं, उनका असर हो सकता है अभी नज़र ना आए, बट जब वो स्कूलिंग के बाद अपने
लॉन्ग पीरियड में जरूर
हाँ, लॉन्ग पीरियड में कहीं ना कहीं फिर वो कनेक्ट करते हैं कि हमने बचपन में ऐसे कुछ देखा था.
जी हाँ,
ना इस तरह होता है.
नहीं, अभी भी होता है कभी कभी. अगर वो लोग कॉरिडोर में मूव कर रहे हैं या कुछ हो रहा है या कोई चीज़ हो रही है, दे आर एबल टू रिलेट कि मतलब उन्होंने कहीं देखा है, उस मूवी में कहीं देखा है, तो वो अपने स्निपेट्स लेकर आ रहे हैं, अपने एनेक्डोट्स लेकर आ रहे हैं उस मूवी से. तो वो चीज़ें भी आ रही हैं बच्चों में, और कहीं ना कहीं वो ओवर द टाइम इट विल हेल्प देम बिल्ड देयर कैरेक्टर.
So when students watch the films and then do the workbook activities, do you feel they are able to openly share their own thoughts or ideas with the help of that workbook?
They are, yes. अभी मैं ये तो नहीं कहूँगी कि मतलब बिल्कुल 100% हो गया है, but yes, somewhere it is. They know that this is an outlet where I can talk about my things and nobody is going to judge me. मुझे कोई जज नहीं करेगा. तो वो नॉन जजमेंटल जो एनवायरनमेंट हमने क्रिएट किया है क्लास में मूवीज के थ्रू, और कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ पार्ट तो हर बच्चे को क्लिक करता है. तो वो उस क्लास में नहीं बोलता, but maybe in the next class that child comes up and talks about it, or he'll bring up a small anecdote or something from that something had happened and this was hurting me from a very long time, but I was not able to speak about it. तो ये चीजें आ रही हैं बच्चों में, एंड दे आर फीलिंग मोर कंफर्टेबल.
हाँ 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 हाँ
सो ओवर द टाइम.
राइट राइट, मतलब जैसे कई बार ये होता है कि कोई चीज़ बताने में अगर बच्चा हेजिटेट कर रहा हो तो एटलीस्ट वो उसको
वो
एक्सप्रेस कर सकता है, लिख
एक्सप्रेस रिटन,
सकता है
हाँ. सो ही नोज दैट इट्स हिज नोटबुक, ही इज राइटिंग इट डाउन.
हाँ हाँ
And
हाँ
ऐसा देयर इज नो राइट और नो रॉन्ग, देयर इज
Yes,
नो
yes.
राइट और रॉन्ग
हाँ हाँ
आंसर.
हाँ
So whatever is writing is right for him,
यस
because he needs to express whatever he's or she is feeling. So it goes like that.
और उसको किसी तरह का डर भी नहीं है बच्चे को
हाँ.
कि मैं अगर यहाँ पर कुछ लिखूंगा तो इससे मेरे मार्क्स
मार्क्स
कटेंगे
कटेंगे या
इस
कुछ
तरह
होगा.
का।
एब्सोल्युटली, हाँ.
हाँ,
तो वो नहीं है कि मतलब कोई मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगा या क्या बोलेगा.
राइट
Initially they were feeling that they asked me, ma'am, will you check these notebooks? Will you mark us on that? I said no, it is not being marked. मैंने कहा I may go through your notebooks, yes, to understand you all better, but I'm not marking you in that. और ये भी कोई ऐसा नहीं कि I will be discussing in the class कि इसका ये आंसर है और उसका वो आंसर है, and we're going to compare the answers.
हाँ
So your answers are not going to be compared. So you just write whatever you feel like. So in the beginning they were not being very honest with themselves, like they were writing, I don't care, it doesn't affect me. But over the period of time they've erased out those answers and they've changed what they had to write. So it's been happening. So
ओके ओके, इसका मतलब तो ये हुआ कि स्टूडेंट जब क्लियर है कि उसको मार्क्स वगैरह से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है
वो
तो टीचर्स के लिए भी तो ये एक ऐसी चीज़ हुई कि वो जिस बच्चे को जानना चाह रहे हैं ये एक मीडियम ऐसा है कि जिससे उसको और अच्छे तरीके से जान
बिल्कुल,
सकें।
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल है. हमारे पास वो 40 मिनट्स हैं, या जब हम जा रहे हैं क्लास में, या जिसमें हमारे पास 1 घंटा है, 2 क्लासेस कंसेक्यूटिव हैं. सो इट इज दैट टाइम व्हेन वी कैन नो देम मच बेटर, एंड दोस डिस्कशंस वी आर थ्रोइंग दोस ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चंस. समटाइम्स ये होता है कि 2 बच्चे रोज पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, देन ग्रेजुअली देयर बी 4, देयर बी 6, दे मोर जॉइन इन. सो इट्स अ गुड थिंग टू नो द चाइल्ड एज वेल, बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स एज अ टीचर वील मेक अप दिस एक हमारे इमोशन बन जाता है, नोशन बन जाता है, this child is like this. But then these movies, when there's a certain things coming out, the certain emotions जो आ रहे हैं, and how the child is reacting to those emotions helps us to know that child better.
Right. So do you notice any growth in their critical thinking or creativity because of these exercises, workbook exercises?
Yes, they are, because one thing is that their vocabulary is also enhancing. They are looking for words which can truly depict, or they can talk about their emotion. That they say, क्योंकि वो छोटे बच्चे हैं, कि मैम मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है तो मैं क्या लिखूं, या मुझे ये फीलिंग आ रही है तो मैं इस फीलिंग को मैं कैसे लिखूं. So giving those words, those vocabulary is also helping them build on the repertoire of words.
Right.
And they also know कि मतलब there are different ways of expressing myself. Sometimes that like them, okay, you can't try to draw. You can also express by drawing.
Yes.
So non-verbal expression भी आपका एक तरह से काम करता है. So you draw whatever you feel like. So that इस तरह से
इसका मतलब ये है कि फिल्म देखने के साथ साथ में ये वाली जो एक्टिविटी है, जो वर्कबुक वाली एक्टिविटी है, वो बेसिकली वो एक्सप्रेस करने में हेल्प कर रही है.
बिल्कुल. सब वो बहुत बैलेंस करती है. नहीं तो मूवी वॉचिंग है कि आप अगर खाली जस्ट वॉच द मूवी, यू आर आउट ऑफ द क्लास, देन यू फॉरगेट इट. बट देन व्हेन यू आर बिल्डिंग दोस कनेक्शंस, बिल्डिंग दोस ब्रिजेस, तो वो इट्स समथिंग व्हिच स्टेज विद यू फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम.
राइट. So have you observed any visible changes in students' behavior or mindset after being part of this program? कोई ऐसा एग्जांपल या इस तरह का कुछ हो?
मतलब बहुत ड्रास्टिक तो नहीं है, बट yes, minor changes I have seen in certain children who would be disturbing the other classes and all. But when it's the school cinema thing, they are the first ones they wait for me at the gate. That ma'am, which movie are we going to go to watch today? हम आज क्या करने वाले हैं? What activity are we going to do today? So with those things they are doing, they have somewhere they have understood that self acceptance, सेल्फ रिलायंस, इन सब चीज़ों को भी वो धीरे धीरे अपने अंदर इनकलकेट कर रहे हैं, दोज क्वालिटीज. सो आई विल नॉट से 100% हो गया है, बट दे आर ऑन द पाथ ऑफ एक्सप्लोरिंग ऑल दीस थिंग्स विद इन देमसेल्व्स.
अभी अगर हम देखें तो इट इज हार्डली 6 months.
6 months. They at least they have understood that okay, these things I can build in myself. ये मेरे में वो धीरे धीरे कर रहे हैं, वो आ रहा है.
राइट. जैसे किसी बड़े प्रोग्राम का क्या इम्पैक्ट होने वाला है, वो एटलीस्ट एक धीरे धीरे आपको महसूस होने लगता है कि
yes, that has started. Yes.
So what role do teachers usually play in guiding students during the discussions and activities around the films?
So teachers, if I talk about, they are basically the facilitators. So they need to facilitate an open-ended discussion with the children. they need to express or tell them certain things which are not there in the movie but what the movie wants to convey. So when we are discussing those movies, the teachers try to bring out those points so that it's more food for the thought, ताकि बच्चों को थोड़ा सा उनका माइंड व्यू होराइजन थोड़ा सा और बढ़े, वो थोड़ा सा और उस बारे में बात कर सके हमसे. सो गिविंग देम डायरेक्शंस टू द थॉट्स एंड ऑल, दैट इज बेसिकली जो टीचर्स का भी जो हमने डिसाइड किया कि वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू बी द स्टीयरर्स ऑफ द शिप. सो वी आर जस्ट गिविंग देम दोस थॉट्स कि दे बट द बेसिकली है कि बच्चों से हमको निकलवाना है. सो वी आर जस्ट लाइक फैसिलिटेटर्स देयर, वी आर टॉकिंग टू देम अबाउट द थिंग.
इसमें ऐसा भी होता है मैम कि टीचर्स आल्सो डू दे डिस्कस अबाउट द फिल्म्स अमंग देमसेल्व्स?
यस, लाइक जो हम लाइक द अदर टीचर रश्मि एंड मी जो हैं, we do discuss about the movies, we talk about the movies कि क्या है, what is in that movie, what did I like in that movie, which thing जो मेरे I related most to it. And this is what I discussed with the children also, that in this movie this was the part that relates, I related the most to this part. Which part did you relate? So we have all those kind of discussions in the class. So
कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि जैसे एक मूवी एक बारी देखा और थोड़ा उस तरह से समझ में नहीं आया, या उसको हम दोबारा देखते हैं तो उसके कुछ और एंगल से हम उसको देखना शुरू करते हैं, ऐसा होता है?
Any movie, if you watch it a different time, twice, thrice, so होता है. Like I've always stated that example of Ded Futia for the children, because that is a very different genre of a movie for grade 4 children. So in the first run they did not understand it too much because they were reading those captions that were written, so they didn't know. But over the time when we watched it twice, thrice, and then they could relate actually what the movie was about. And this was one movie शायद जो मेरे बच्चों ने सबसे ज़्यादा एंजॉय करी, और बिकॉज वो कहीं ना कहीं उनके बहुत सारे इमोशंस को टच कर रहे थे. तो जब हम सबके 1.5 फुटिया मोमेंट्स की बात कर रहे थे कि यार 1.5 फुटिया क्वालिटी किसमें क्या है, सो देयर वर लॉट ऑफ बच्चे जो आए लाइक हु हैव अ हेवी बॉडी वेट, दे टोल्ड मी दैट मैम माय बॉडी वेट इज माय 1.5 फुटिया क्वालिटी एंड और माय कॉम्प्लेक्शन और माय हाइट. सो and there is this one child who's generally very very happy, मतलब हंसता रहता है, बहुत वो करता है, but the first time when he watched this movie and we were having this discussion, I saw that child crying in the class. So he had tears in his eyes and he was crying. So I asked him like what happened. He said I never spoke about it, but everybody also teases me because of my weight, and nobody listens. That when they tease me, nobody listens and everybody says अरे अभी छोड़ दो, जो कुछ तुमसे कोई कह रहा है उसको छोड़ दो. He said, but मैम मुझे बहुत हर्ट करती है वो बात कि सब मुझे मेरे बॉडी वेट के लिए बोलते हैं. So then we had that kind of a discussion कि हम क्या कर सकते हैं इसके लिए, what else can be done. So we had a direction talk towards healthy food, a healthy lifestyle, इन सब के लिए हम बात करते हैं. And then I also told them that you are too small, अभी बहुत छोटे हो to think about all these things. But वो बच्चों में आती है and they are not able to express with everybody. तो
और अभी तो कई बार ऐसा होता है मैम कि जैसे ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, ऐसे तो ये समय के साथ इम्प्रूव हो जाती हैं, बट कभी कभी ये एक दूसरी शेप भी ले लेते हैं कि बच्चा डिप्रेशन की तरफ
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि बच्चे बोल नहीं पाते, अपने को एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाते, और एज अडल्ट्स कभी कभी हम भी ना सुनना नहीं चाहते. तो तब ये बात होती है जब हम सुनना नहीं चाहते और हम वी जस्ट ब्रश इट अंडर द कार्पेट वाली बात होती है. व्हेन वी आर डूइंग दैट, तब हम बच्चों को ज़्यादा नुकसान करते हैं. But I think so this is a platform जिसने बच्चों को बोलने का मौका दिया है, to express their feelings and all.
So the other question is, life skills are so important for every child. So how do you think this program helps students across different grades in developing those skills?
What I feel is कि children at different level have different fears, different pressures. In the junior classes, it's more about making friends. Senior, just as they go up, it's more about the grades, about the future, and once they are in grade 9 and 10, it's more about the future. Getting those board examination pressure is too much. Getting marks, getting that good result is very important for them. So there are too many pressures for children, and very sadly, we do not give them any outlet to speak about their fears. Whatever they are feeling, हम उसको नहीं दे रहे हैं, उनको वो नहीं देते हैं. तो कहीं पे हम मतलब इनडायरेक्टली देखिए ये मूवीज इस तरह से बनी है, क्यूरेटेड हैं कि वो they are able to relate
हाँ,
to
हाँ,
them.
हाँ, उस पर्टिकुलर क्लास या उस पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप के बच्चों की जो जो समस्याएं हैं एक तरह
वो
से
उनको वो
दे
डील
फाइंड
कर
सॉल्यूशन
पा रहे
इनटू
हैं। हाँ,
द फिल्म्स।
तो वो उनको कहीं ना कहीं एक छोटा सा आउटलेट मिल रहा है कि हाँ, एक छोटा सा सोल्यूशन मिल रहा है कि हाँ, अगर हम ऐसा करें तो ये हो सकता है, और दिस कुड बी अ वे ऑफ मूविंग आउट ऑफ इट. सो दे आर चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज आज की सोसाइटी ऐसी है दैट देयर इज सो मच ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन द
यस
चाइल्ड.
यस यस
सो राइट,
एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज अ प्रेशर ऑफ एकेडमिक्स ओनली।
एकेडमिक्स परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा है बच्चों के ऊपर.
हम्म
So that's वो है तो, but I feel that we should give an open air time, open space for the children to talk about, openly discuss, and for like I always feel that the classroom has to have a non-judgmental environment in the class, so that बच्चा कम से कम अपनी अगर घर पे नहीं बोल पा रहा तो कम से कम स्कूल में तो
yes,
बोले.
yes,
And as teachers we should be the mediator between the parent and the student. So,
and sometimes what happens कि students they feel more comfortable talking to the
the
teachers than the parents.
yes, absolutely, they do.
हम्म
Because somewhere a teacher is more important to them, and they think that she listen to me.
हाँ
और क्योंकि वो ये भी होता है कि teacher is not somebody who will judge you at home
yes yes
and in a non-inverse area में, तो इसलिए they open up more to the teachers.
और मैंने तो कई बार ऐसा भी देखा है कि एज ए पेरेंट सपोज मैं अगर अपने बच्चे को समझाता हूँ और सेम टॉपिक अगर उसके टीचर्स उसको समझाते हैं तो दे से कि नहीं आप गलत कह रहे हैं, मैम सही कह रही हैं। सो दिस
वो
हैपेंस।
टीचर पे ट्रस्ट तो उनका होता ही है,
Yes, yes.
एंड वी आल्सो हैव द रिस्पांसिबिलिटी टू कीप मेंटेन दैट ट्रस्ट फॉर द चाइल्ड.
और कई बार तो मुझे लगता है ऐसा भी होता है कि अगर आपको एक अच्छा टीचर मिल जाता है ना तो वो आपको बहुत कुछ चेंज कर देता है
एब्सोल्युटली सर, आई एग्री टू दैट.
ना।
बिल्कुल.
So now we talk about parents. How do parents usually react on these movies or impact of school cinema? Did you find any? I mean, from any parents, did you hear anything?
So I don't have any feedback for the senior students,
Mhm.
but yes, junior students हैं, they will go home and they discuss the movie that they've watched.
Mhm.
So because it is a new thing that they've done in school, which is not at home.
Yes.
So they discuss their movies. They discuss like, because when they're discussing that, they tell them what they liked about the movie, what was there, the activities that they are doing. So the juniors, from the juniors, yes, the parents have told me that they are that their child is enjoying those movies. And kahin na kahin they were asking me, where can we get those movies, that we also want to see them. Where can we get them? I said that though I do not know.
So for that too, you can ask them to come and see the
in school.
Parents movie.
Yeah, the parents movie. Yes. So
maybe
we do
at the
want
time
to,
of PTM you can
yeah,
plan
we
that.
do want to play those movies for them, but then PTM becomes one thing where it's very marks oriented discussion and child oriented discussion goes on. So playing a movie somehow doesn't work at that time. But yes, we would plan to have screens for the parents to watch those kind of movies.
Yes, yes. इसमें कई बार पेरेंट्स जैसे पेरेंट्स को भी पता है कि आज का बच्चा डिजिटल कंटेंट बहुत ज़्यादा देखता है।
जी.
घर पे भी अगर उसको फ़ोन न दिया जाए या टैब न दिया जाए तो वो एक तरह से उसकी हालत बहुत ख़राब सी हो जाती है ना। सो क्या ये ऐसा मैसेज भी है कि पेरेंट्स को ये लगता है कि यस दे आर गोइंग थ्रू डिजिटल कंटेंट बट ए क्वालिटी कंटेंट?
Quality content, yes. Because initially they had that kind of a thing. They were asking me, they asked me, ma'am, are those movies properly screened? तो उनका कंटेंट क्या होता है, किस तरह से आप पोर्ट्रे करते हो मूवीज को. सो आई टोल्ड देम दैट ईच दे आर सेग्रीगेटेड क्लास वाइज, एज लेवल से है, एंड सो दे आर वेरी एज अप्रोप्रिएट मूवीज, and we do watch the movie before we are showing it to the students, and so the content is okay. मतलब
तो
ऐसा नहीं
पेरेंट्स
है
का ये कंसर्न था
इनिशियली था, क्योंकि जब मूवी आती है, सिनेमा की बात आती है, तो पेरेंट्स
क्या जो दिखा रहे हैं स्कूल
हाँ,
में,
तो वो थोड़ा सा दे डू फील दैट what are they watching, what kind of content are they watching. So then the first PTM they had a lot of questions about the school cinema, so they spoke. Now they are very happy with it.
Right. Is there any memorable moment or a story where you felt the program made a big difference for a student or group of students?
There are quite a few movies where I have seen different children coming out with different emotions. One of the movie is My Daddy's Strongest. So My Daddy's Strongest, there's a student, the family situation is not very good and all, so that child was very confused as to how to react to that movie or what to do, because where the children were also talking lies about their father. And somewhere very after 2-3 days of that movie, when we had seen that movie, we had discussed the movie, that child came up to me and she said, ma'am, I also speak lie about my daddy, is it okay that I also speak lie about my daddy? So I said it's okay, see, but you know the truth what it is, and you don't want your friends to know about it, so ठीक है, but try not to
Yes.
do that, because that movie also teaches you that whatever it is, the dad was at the dad
Yes.
वो है, so you need to go with that kind of emotion. So but अभी वही कि वो those kids are very small, they will not understand that. And then one of the movies for grade 3, which is With or Without Medals, so that was the first movie, I think so, which we had seen in class 3. And where everybody, there is that kind of pressure to excel in grade 3 when they are there, the parents, everyone, सबको चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चे को 20 on 20 ही मिलना
Yes,
चाहिए हर
yes.
एग्जाम में, किसी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करे तो the child should at least get a first position or a second position or a third position. So then that movie also came in that when we were talking with the children, that they want to go for an activity, but they are not going because they are not good at that activity. They feel that they are not good at that activity. So a lot of them said, ma'am, I want to do swimming, but then it is very difficult to go into the water and do swimming. I said, you will not know until you go there.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I said, try, tell your parents, so I at least take you for one session of swimming. If you enjoy it, then go.
Yes,
You don't have to be a very trained swimmer for it, or if you love singing, then sing.
yes, yes.
You don't have to be a trained singer or a trained dancer. So, and the school has so many activities for students. So I was like we were talking them, participate. Getting a certificate, getting a medal is not very important, but to enjoy doing that
Yes,
thing
yes.
is very important for you all. So these were things where those children who are very good at it came up, that they have this kind of a pressure at home, that if you are participating in a particular activity, then you need to win. So
Yes, yes.
so those children, they say, ma'am, I am doing it because I want to win, I want to get the medal. So this is what
Yeah, when you have that kind of goal, then probably you are missing
the entire journey
Yes.
of it, or the entire pleasure of that activity gets missed out.
Yes, yes, yes. So now I am asking you one very important question, like that is in continuation with your answer. Some people feel that board exams, like this 10th grade, and shouldn't take part in such programs because it may distract them from academics,
Yes.
right? And since you have implemented it, you
Yes,
are running this
we are
program in
running.
10th class also.
Yes.
So what is your honest take on this, and is it helping them, or it is creating pressure on them?
No, I don't think that it's creating a pressure, because this is one period where they also feel that it's a kind of environment in the class where there are no books, or there is nothing theoretical, or there is nothing being tested for you. So it is one thing where they are watching a movie, they are unwinding themselves, they have their friends around themselves, open discussions are happening. So this one period is more of a stress buster for them. It is not that okay, I know I have to watch this movie and then I'll have to do a questionnaire on it, or I'll have to do a paper on it. So it's not that. It is more for their unwinding, for the stress busting, which is required apart from the
Right,
sports
right.
that they look forward to. So this is also one of the stress busting periods that they have. So we as a school, we are not feeling that it is burdening them or it is something like that, but they also look forward to that one class.
Because what happens, like in 10th class, they have the pressure from parents, they have the pressure
Absolutely,
from
sir.
teachers,
Yes.
and sometimes it becomes boring. I mean, every time you are studying.
Yes, it does happen, yes. Even when we have the school competition or something, so the first thing they'll ask, is it open for us or not? The 10th and 12th students, they do ask, is it open for us? Can we participate or not? And then getting the permission from the parents becomes very, very difficult. So here, because it is nothing as such, it is a part of the curriculum, so
हाँ.
it works well for them.
So they also enjoy watching
Yes,
the
they
movies.
enjoying the movies.
As you said that
Yes,
it
sir.
is a stress
A stress
releasing
buster
kind
for,
of
yes,
activity
absolutely.
for them.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
And there's also one period where they are meeting with the teacher on a very different
हाँ
platform.
हाँ 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 हाँ. Yes,
So
yes,
if they are, as a coordinator, they are watching us in a different role, so that for one period it's in a very different role that we are with them, so that also makes a lot of difference.
Yeah. Or we can say, ma'am, when they are writing in the workbook, suppose a student who is in 10th class and he has some issues, वो कोई चीज़ ऐसा महसूस कर रहा है, कोई चीज़ जिसकी वजह से उसका पढ़ाई पर कंसंट्रेशन नहीं बन पा रहा है,
हम्म,
तो आई थिंक वहाँ भी तो उसको थोड़ा सा हेल्प मिलता होगा वो एक्सप्रेस करने में और
बिल्कुल
टीचर को
सर,
उसको जज
हाँ,
करने में कि
बिल्कुल सर,
इसको
मिलता
कैसे
है,
हेल्प
हाँ
कर
हाँ,
सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि वही चीज़ है जो छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी मैं बोल रही थी
हम्म
कि वो बहुत एक अनबायस्ड सा है कि मैं, इट इज़ माई आउटलेट फॉर इट of my emotions, so at least I am writing somewhere down, it's not bottled up inside, I am writing it out, so I know that I have released whatever pressure I have, and if the teacher is there, then we can always have a discussion on it.
Yes.
और one to one भी हो सकता है, हम बच्चे से अलग से भी बात कर
हाँ
सकते
हाँ हाँ
हैं,
हाँ. कई बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि बच्चा पेरेंट्स से जो चीज़ नहीं बता पा रहा है वो
हाँ,
टीचर्स के साथ
टीचर
वो
से होता
एक्सप्रेस
है,
कर पा रहा
फ्रेंड्स
है.
से एक्सप्रेस होती है,
हम्म.
तो कहीं ना कहीं वो चीज़, वो इमोशंस वो बाहर आ ही रहे हैं बच्चों के, तो
Right.
we have not felt that it's kind of a burden or anything.
हाँ, तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये 10th के बच्चों के लिए होना चाहिए.
होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल होना चाहिए सर.
Right, right. So if you had the chance, what changes or additions would you suggest to make the program even better for students, this school cinema program?
For this, okay. See, abhi like whatever we've seen is good. But if I talk about the younger kids, the workbook has to be a little bit more colorful. The pictures have to be a little bit more inviting.
Okay, okay.
So because we have those figures,
Mm-hmm.
but they have to be a little bit more inviting, little bit more interesting for them, or it could be so, and a little bit more writing space for them, because abhi they don't have that set handwriting
Okay.
करने के लिए, so a little bit more space for them to write. तो सभी sometimes जैसे मैम मेरे पास अभी और है लिखने को, अब मैं कहाँ लिखूँ, so I tell them okay, then the notes वाला space जो आपको available है आप वहाँ लिख लो.
Okay.
So over there, so if we could have a little bit more space for them, a broader lines for them to write, so that would work better for them.
ठीक है, we have a separate content team for this.
Yes, sir.
So I will
I
share
think that,
this
yeah,
with them
I think that will work better for them,
so that they can work
yes,
on it.
yes, sir.
Do you think this program add value to the vision of Dikshant International School, Haldwani?
Yes, sir. Like I told you that Dikshant, life skill has always been a part of Dikshant. So till last year, we made our own worksheets. We had our own activities planned for the children. So life skill has always been one of the major parts for Dikshant throughout. And with this, it's been much more helpful, because this helps to bring us those emotions bang on. So rather than going through that entire thing of creating worksheets for them and discussing on looking for movies or looking for videos from other places, this is a whole meal which comes for the children. So we watch the movie, we know what has to be discussed. It's only that our pre-preparation has to be good. The work, the teacher's manual which we have, we need to go through the lesson planning properly, plan, because now that planning also has been done for us. Otherwise we needed to plan like what has to be done, how the class has to be taken. It is all there, the activities are there, so we know what has to be done. We have to just with our readiness we move into the class, and so it has added value to this. It has it's something new that we are doing, something that the parents are also appreciating, that the students are appreciating. So yes, it has added value to our school. Yes, the curriculum. Yes.
So now we will move to the quiz section, and there are a few questions. If you could describe this school cinema program in one word, what would it be?
School cinema in one word is going to be emotions on the screen.
Okay. What do you think students enjoy more, watching the film or discussing it afterwards?
I think watching that movie is the something which intrigues them a lot. So watching the movie is their first thing. Every time they tell them which movie first I'm going to watch today.
They are
So,
very much enthusiastic.
very
also.
enthusiastic to watch which movie they have.
Uh-huh.
And those titles are so eye catching for them that they even try to decipher कि okay इस movie में क्या हो सकता है, what could be the movie, so
Right, right.
like that.
कभी ऐसा भी होता होगा क्या स्टूडेंट का मन नहीं करता है स्कूल जाने का, लेकिन उसको पता है कि आज तो मूवी
आज
दिखाई
स्कूल
जाएगी?
सिनेमा है तो हाँ, तो वो होता ये भी एक चीज होते है मोटिवेटिंग है उनको स्कूल आने के लिए,
हाँ, हाँ,
करते हैं वो, बट उनको रहता है कि आज मतलब आज हमारा ये है,
फिल्म
एंड
दिखाई
दे
जाएगी।
टेल मी मैम यू हैव टू बी इन द क्लास, यू
हाँ,
कांट मिस द क्लास.
Okay. Which skill do you feel student secretly learn the most? Empathy or confidence?
Empathy, I told you that empathy is coming anyhow, it is coming, is it's a part of it which is they are developing. Confidence also, confidence because now they know that yes, I can speak up, there is a way of expressing my emotion, so confidence, yes, surely confidence.
If you had to recommend one school cinema film to parents as must watch, which one would it be?
So with or without medals,
Mhm.
I would recommend them to really watch that movie because they have a lot of pressure on the child to perform.
Mhm.
So that, and even the movie from class 5 which is Checkmate, so that also I would say
Mhm.
that
Parents
yes,
should also watch.
parents should also watch because somewhere there's a lot of gender biasness,
Mhm.
that this game is only for boys, this game is only for girls, or boys can do this, girls can do this. So this is one movie, these two movies I would recommend them to really watch those movies.
Although these movies are for the students, but
Yes,
you
but
recommend
I
that
recommend that
parents should also
watch. Parents and teachers should also watch.
Mhm.
So it's for everybody.
Which grade, in your opinion, reacts the funniest or most dramatically to these films?
Oh, grade 3 to 6. They are animated. When they're watching the movies, they would look for certain nuances in the movie. So they are this is the chunk of grades which reacts best to the movies.
Okay. Imagine if teachers were a student for a day, and which school cinema activity do you think they would enjoy the most?
As teachers,
Mhm.
I
Suppose teachers are student in a particular day,
yes.
so which movie they would have loved?
There is this movie, We Do Not Want Teachers or No Teachers. There's a movie.
Uh-huh.
I think they would love that because we all have this. The like children give us names. They label the teachers with certain names.
Yes.
So I think they would enjoy that movie because somehow what we've been trying to tell the students that we are here to give you something. So that movie tells it very beautifully that whatever each teacher has her own strengths, though, and knowingly, unknowingly, each teacher is imparting you that kind of a strength. So that would be one movie which I think that the teachers would really enjoy.
Right, right. If you could invite one famous personality to watch school cinema session with your students, who would it be?
With my students, I think it would be Sudha Murthy.
Okay, that's
So because I love reading Sudha Murthy, and I think she would be one person who would add her flavor to all those movies while discussing with the students. So Sudha Murthy would be that one
and
person.
she has worked a lot
For
with
a lot
the
of her
students.
children, yes, her books for children are very good, and her books have been a part of what we recommend our children during the summer holidays also. So I think she would, and her aura is such that she relates good with the kids and all. So she would be one person I would love to have in my class with the students.
It is quite interesting. I was thinking that you will name out some personality from Bollywood or maybe from
No,
some
sir.
other field,
I'm
but you have chosen the person. I mean, she's a great lady.
She's a great lady. I love reading Sudha Murthy. So I even I gift Sudha Murthy to my niece and the kids in the home.
Okay.
So I love her reading her stuff. So yes.
Which one movie from your childhood that still inspire you today?
Movie from my childhood would be The Sound of Music, because when I started my school, a couple of songs from that movie were taught to us in school. So Dear Do, and so Do Re Mi Fa Sa was there. Then some of my favorite things, the song was from that movie, and so somewhere was there, and then because I had an interest towards reading, so I read that book also.
Mhm.
So then I watched that movie, and so that movie has stayed with me for quite some time.
Mhm.
So it's all about breaking the rules, moving forward,
Mhm.
improving yourself. So
And finally, if you were to give school cinema a new tagline, what would it be?
a tagline
Hmm.
to school cinema would be real life outside the screen.
Okay. Fine, fine, fine. So we end this Q session now. And in fact, ma'am, it has been wonderful discussions with you.
Thank you, sir. I've also enjoyed it.
Yeah, I can say that you have this program. I mean, there are different kind of perspective to execute this program,
Yes,
and
sir.
you are executing it nicely.
Thank you, sir.
Because when we say films, generally we think these are the I mean, they are for entertainment.
Absolutely.
When we think or think about the films, mainly we see that it is for entertainment. But after or during the discussion with you, uh, you have said very well, or you have understood very well this program, that it is not only for entertainment. It is basically for making a personality, you can say.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
So thank you very much for this
Thank you, sir.
wonderful
Thank you so
discussion.
much for giving me a chance being here.
Thank you.